Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by setting tempo between 65 and 85 BPM for a relaxed cloud rap groove. Choose soft electric pianos, warm pads, and lo-fi keys for dreamy tonal textures. Layer an airy pad with large stereo spread and reverb tail around 5 seconds. Add a vinyl crackle or soft tape hiss at low volume for vintage warmth. Use sparse melodic motifs and minor chord progressions to evoke melancholic atmosphere. Keep arrangement minimal to leave space for vocals and atmospheric effects later. Program a tight kick and soft snare or clap on beats 2 and 4. Tempo subdivision favors halftime feel. Use 70 BPM with hi-hat rolls at 1/16. Design an 808 with tuned pitch to the root and short release around 150 ms. Sidechain the pad and bass slightly to the kick using 3 dB threshold. Add sparse percussive clicks and reverse cymbals for texture and transient interest. Quantize lightly and apply subtle swing around 8 to 12% for groove. Mix using mid-side EQ to widen pads while keeping low-end mono and centered. Use plate or hall reverb on vocals with 400 ms pre-delay and 1/2 second decay. Apply gentle compression with 2:1 ratio and slow attack to preserve vocal dynamics. Automate high-pass filter sweeps and reverb sends to maintain interest across arrangement. Final bounce as WAV 24-bit 44.1 kHz and leave headroom near -6 dB. Master with
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.